If you've been looking for a way to start an online business and make amazing income, all from the comfort of your home without spending a single dollar, then this video is for you. As I always recommend, one of the best ways to get started is by selling digital products, especially children's products like activity books and coloring books. As you can see on Etsy, there are countless coloring books and activity books generating thousands of dollars every single day. And it doesn't stop with Etsy. Sellers on Amazon KDP are also making thousands of dollars every month from these types of products. The biggest challenge most people face is creating these books with professional quality and high accuracy. But I promise that if you watch this video until the end, you'll be able to create your own activity book or coloring book with just one click, and with a level of quality you've probably never seen before. We've already covered many times how to find profitable products with high demand and low competition using different research tools. For example, if we do a quick search, we'll find that the keyword spring coloring book appears in green, which means it has low competition and very high demand. That makes it a perfect niche for us to create today and publish in our Etsy shop or on Amazon KDP. Now comes the next step, and for most people, it's the hardest one: professionally designing a high-quality coloring book using AI. As you already know, we almost always use Kittl to create our coloring books because it allows us to generate AI images with incredible quality. On top of that, it gives us powerful editing tools to refine those images and create beautiful, professional-looking books. Until recently, our workflow was simple. We would manually choose the AI model, select the image dimensions, decide how many images we wanted, and then write a detailed prompt for every single coloring page in the book. It worked well, but it still required a lot of manual effort. But today, Kittl has introduced something brand new called Agentic AI, and it's honestly a game changer. Instead of writing a detailed prompt for every page, all you have to do is write a very short description explaining the type of book you want and how many pages you need. That's it. You'll see exactly how it works with me step by step. Agentic AI will automatically create professional prompts, generate your coloring book illustrations, create videos, and help with almost everything you need. So make sure you watch until the very end so you don't miss any of these powerful features. By the way, you can try the new Agentic AI feature in Kittl for free using the link in my description. And for a limited time only, use the code AGENTIC to get 50% off any annual plan if you decide to upgrade. Now let's select Agentic AI and watch how simple this has become. All I'm going to type is, please create a 10-page spring coloring book for kids, suitable for Etsy and Amazon KDP. That's it. Things are not like they used to be. I'm no longer designing one page at a time. I'm creating the entire coloring book with a single click, and you're about to see the results with me. And we're not even going to stop at generating the interior pages. You're going to be amazed by what this tool can do. Just keep watching until the end because the results get even better. Within seconds, you can see that Agentic AI starts analyzing the request I gave it, and then it immediately begins creating all 10 coloring pages completely on its own. Let's take a look at the results together. Honestly, these are some of the cleanest, most professional, and highest quality coloring pages I've ever seen. That's exactly why I'm confident this book has a great chance of generating sales on both Etsy and Amazon KDP. The pages look this good because Agentic AI automatically selected the best AI model for this specific project and wrote highly optimized prompts to generate professional quality coloring pages, all without me having to do any of that manually. And it doesn't stop there. For example, if I click on any of these coloring pages that it created, Agentic AI can use that page as a reference image. Then I can simply ask it to generate more coloring pages that match the exact same style. In just a few seconds, it created 2 additional pages with the same incredible quality, consistency, and level of detail. Imagine that. You can create a complete coloring book with 20, 30, or even 50 pages with just one click. I know you're just as impressed as I am right now, because this completely changes the workflow for creating coloring books. But we're still not done, my friend. If we click the plus button, you'll find even more powerful options. You can upload your own images to use as references for generating matching artwork, creating videos, and much more. In this example, though, I'm going to ask Agentic AI to design a high-quality, full-color cover for this coloring book. I'll tell it to use the interior coloring pages as reference images so the cover perfectly matches the style and theme of the book. And within seconds, just look at the cover it created. The quality is absolutely incredible. I'm genuinely impressed with these results, especially because they're so accurate on the very first attempt. As I mentioned earlier, that's because Agentic AI automatically writes professional prompts behind the scenes and intelligently selects the most suitable AI model for each individual project, giving you professional results without requiring any prompt engineering experience. Another thing I absolutely love is that Kittl is packed with powerful tools that give us complete control over every part of our project. For example, let's say I want to edit this book cover. Instead of the age range saying ages 3 to 8, I want it to say ages 3 and up. All I have to do is click the editing tool on the right-hand side, type in the change I want, and Agentic AI takes care of the rest. It automatically recommends the best AI model for that specific edit, and within seconds, the cover is updated exactly the way I wanted it, or even better. And as you already know, if we want to maximize our sales, it's not enough to simply publish the book. We also need high-quality images and engaging videos to promote our products on social media. Of course, I didn't forget about that. You all know that I like my tutorials to be complete and teach you the entire workflow from start to finish. So if I want to create an eye-catching promotional mock-up for my coloring book to share on social media, the process is incredibly simple. All I have to do is select the book cover image, then ask Agentic AI to create a professional promotional mock-up for my coloring book. After that, I simply let Agentic AI do what it does best. It starts analyzing the request, thinking through the best approach, writing a professional prompt behind the scenes, and selecting the most suitable AI model automatically. The best part is, you don't have to see or manage any of that complicated work. All you see is the final result. And just look at how incredible the result is. The mock-up looks professional, polished, and ready to use for marketing immediately. Honestly, I'm genuinely impressed by the quality and accuracy of every single image this tool generates. This is exactly the kind of content that can help your Etsy or Amazon KDP listing stand out, attract more clicks, and ultimately lead to more sales. And of course, I couldn't finish this video without showing you how to create a promotional video for our coloring book. This is one of the most effective ways to increase sales when you post it on social media or use it in your advertising campaigns. As you know, the old workflow required us to click Create Video, manually choose the AI model, select the video length, adjust several different settings, and then generate the video ourselves. But with Agentic AI, the process has become much easier. All I have to do is upload a few interior pages from my coloring book, along with the cover image and the promotional mock-up we created. Then I simply tell Agentic AI, create a 12-second promotional preview video for this coloring book that I can post on social media. That's it. Agentic AI deeply analyzes everything I've provided, understands exactly what I'm trying to achieve, automatically writes the perfect prompt behind the scenes, selects the best AI model for the project, and immediately starts generating the promotional video. Now, let's take a look at the final result together.
Looking for the perfect spring activity for your little ones? Check out this amazing spring coloring book. It's filled with fun, easy designs that are perfect for kids ages 3 to 8, and it's a fantastic way to spark their creativity. Grab yours today and let the coloring fun begin.
As you can see, this is one of the best promotional videos I've ever created for one of my digital products, and it was all done with just one click. The quality looks professional, the presentation is engaging, and it's exactly the kind of content that grabs attention on social media. This is the type of video that can help increase clicks, attract more customers, and ultimately generate more sales for your Etsy shop or Amazon KDP books. As you've seen throughout this tutorial, with just a single click, we were able to create a complete coloring book from start to finish. But the possibilities don't stop there. You can use Agentic AI to create almost any type of book or design, whether it's children's activity books, coloring books, social media graphics, marketing materials, or many other creative projects. The workflow is faster, easier, and more professional than ever before. I highly recommend that you head over to Kittl right now and try Agentic AI for yourself. Start creating coloring books, activity books, and other digital products, then publish them on Etsy and Amazon KDP to grow your sales and increase your income. Once your project is finished, all you have to do is export it as a PDF. And as you already know, that's the format you'll upload to Etsy or Amazon KDP for sale. I hope you found today's video helpful and learned something valuable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!